On rare occasions, Arch Linux updates can break packages. In this case, RustDesk stopped working because the bin package was used. To see what happened, we need to run it from the terminal. Someone in the community forgot to compile it against a newer version. We see that the missing package is libsto so 3. Some time ago, XDO moved to version 4, but the binary is still linked against version 3. It will likely be updated in a few days. But if we need to use the package immediately, we have to look for alternatives. One quick solution, without doing anything manually in the terminal, is to use Discover or any other application manager. We search for RustDesk, we review the information, and we see that it will be installed via Flatpak. You just need to install it. A second quick solution is to use the AppImage. We go to the official website, click on Downloads, and it shows several options. There are many downloads, and under For More Downloads, we can see a list that includes the AppImage. You download it and run it. But in this video, I want to show you how to fix it the Arch Linux way. By compiling it, we open the terminal. We type the command to remove the package. We see that the installed version uses x.l4, while the binary expects version 3. We list the related packages. We use yay because RustDesk is not available in extra. We see the bin package, but we want the source package. This way, we compile the package so it links against XDO version 4. As I mentioned, this is rare. It hasn't happened to me in over a year. We run yay s or /RustDesk. This is because yay prefers installing bin packages, so we have to explicitly tell it that we want the source. The installation process then begins. In my case, it took around 15 minutes, which I summarize in the next 20 seconds. Some packages take longer, and some may even show warnings, but everything compiles normally. The package that takes the longest is RustDesk itself, since it has to build the package along with its dependencies. When it finishes, it will ask for your password to install the compiled package, or you'll need to repeat the process. We run the package from the terminal to make sure everything works correctly. If it runs successfully, we close it and can start using it. For example, we can launch it from the menu as usual. We connect to another machine to test it, and everything works correctly. That's it for this video. If you liked it, subscribe, leave a like, and enable notifications. See you in the next video.